Hello students, as we have studied that all type of cells have three main parts, that are plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm of the cell. So today we are going to discuss cytoplasm. So today we are going to discuss cytoplasm. If we make a diagram, this is the nucleus and this is the plasma membrane. This is the outermost layer, this is plasma membrane. Central part is nucleus and cytoplasm is the area between the plasma membrane and nucleus of the cell. So, cytoplasm is the fluid area between the plasma membrane and nucleus of the cell. As we saw, this is the outermost plasma membrane, this is the nucleus, and this portion is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, that is the area, fluid area between the plasma membrane and nucleus, is called cytoplasm of the cell. Also, this cytoplasm is called fluid living part of the cell. Cytoplasm is also called living part of the cell. This cytoplasm consists of fluid part, and that fluid part contains 90% of water, 20% of proteins, 20% and 7% lipids and carbohydrates. And the 1% of organic compounds and vitamins and minerals. So we saw here the fluid part of cytoplasm consists of 90% of water, 20% protein, 7% lipids and carbohydrates, and 1% of organic compounds and vitamins and minerals. Also, the cytoplasm combines with nucleoplasm. It gives rise to protoplasm. Protoplasm is nothing. It is collectively cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. As we saw in this diagram, this is the cytoplasm and the fluid part of the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. So, cytoplasm and nucleoplasm collectively forms protoplasm of the cell. Also, this protoplasm was coined by Purkinje in the year 1839. In 1839, Purkinje coined the term protoplasm of the cell. And now cytoplasm is a very important fluid part. In this cytoplasm, different cell organelles are embedded and that are very useful. Cytoplasm contains cell organelles. Cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, and so on. Different cell organelles are found inside this cytoplasm, and from now we will read about these cell organelles in detail, because we all have covered the cytoplasm, nucleus and plasma membrane, that are the three main parts of any cells. We have covered this. From next section we will start these cell organelles. So thank you.